welcome to another vlog. It's me, your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, this is the part one of me exploring Kolkata street food. So I'm heading off to a place called the Kamak Street here in Kolkata. So keep watching the vlog, and if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will be really helpful, right? So let's go. Watch the vlog till the end. It will be fun. Guys, finally I reached to a place called the Kamak Street here in Kolkata, right? So I'm gonna give you the street food tour, and so you know, Kolkata is a very big city, right? Now in Kolkata they have many different food markets, right? So basically, you know, this will be a different series, you know, part 1, part 2 and so on, right? So me trying to show you Kolkata's, you know, street food market. So here I am. Enjoy the vlog, guys. Keep watching. Watch the vlog till the end. Now the first stop that we come here is the, you know, open air kitchen where they sell, you know, street food thali, right? You see people are enjoying food here. So you know, all the office workers, you know, taxi drivers, you know, local people, they all come here to enjoy their food here. Hello, brother. Good afternoon. Achha, you're fine? Okay, great. Look, guys. So this brother is making a bread called the naan. Ye kaun sa naan hai bhaiya? Guys, this bread is called the kulcha naan, right? So he has the dough there and the stuffing that goes in. Ye aloo hai la. Aloo. So you know, potato mixed with different Indian spice. So he put that inside the dough and they roll that, right? And that's how they, you know, bake the bread in this tube. It's called the tandoor, right? Look, guys. And they apply butter, right, on the bread to make the bread a bit softer, right? Because once the bread comes out of this, you know, tandoor, the bread is a bit hard. So they apply the butter to make the bread soft. Yeah. And guys, right now in Kolkata is very hot, right? Just imagine this brother standing right next to the fire and working. He's very strong and hard working at the same time, right? Now look, guys, they have different types of curries here, right? ये कौन सा सब्जी है भैया? दिखाओ ना. Guys, this is the mixed veg paneer. Paneer is the cottage cheese, right? Chana masala. This is the chana masala. It's some sort of a, you know, gram. Dal makhani. This is the dal makhani, which is the lentil, and they cook this with Indian spice. This is the palak paneer. Palak is the spinach and the cottage cheese. This is what? Paneer kofta. Guys, this is the... What's that? Oh, guys, so they, you know, put that inside the gravy and they give you, right? Chili paneer. This is the chili paneer. So you can enjoy all of this curries with this bread called naan. This is the raita. Raita is made with, you know, yogurt and chili, cucumber, and yeah, it's crazy, guys.
না না ওইটা হ্যাঁ একটা তো হচ্ছে 150 টাকা ছিল ওই 150ই রাইস আছে আপনার রুটি খাইতে কত এক গ্লাসটা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে তাহলে এটা
I showed you the veg thali. Now here these brothers are, making authentic Bengali dish called the jhal muri. So this is the puffed rice, and they put this in this container, right, with all different Indian spice, right, and they mix that with onion, chili, and some mustard oil, and they mix that, and that's how you get this dish called the jhal muri. Look, guys. And they serve you in this paper bag, right? Here in Kolkata, you call this thonga, right? That's how it is. Now, let's go front and see what kind of food that they're selling. So, this is the footpath, right? And here, these brothers are making Chinese food. Hello, Bhaiya. Good afternoon. You're fine? Abacho. So, look, guys. So, this is the Chinese, street style Chinese corner, right? So, this brother is making noodles, right? So that's the main road there, and this is the footpath. On the right and on the left is all street food. So I'm gonna cross the road in a minute and show you the street food there as well. But now you just enjoy, this brother making this noodles. आप ये कौन सा बना रहे हैं noodles? So this brother is making veg hakka noodles, right? That's how it is, guys. And they sell rice, chili chicken, and momos. That's the momo there. And the soy sauce goes in as well, So in a minute, I'm gonna cross the road from there, right, and give you a street food tour there as well. So that's the main road. This is the footpath. I showed you the veg thali and the puffed rice, which is the jhal muri, right? And yeah, so I'm at a place called the Camel Street. So that's how it is. All right, brother. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Take care. So guys, now let's cross the road. Oh my goodness. Right, guys, so I was there on that side. I just crossed, right? I came to this side. Now here this brother is selling something. Now let's check this out. What is this? Hello uncle, good afternoon. अच्छे हो आप? How are you? You're fine. आप ये क्या बना रहा भैया? Oh guys, this dish is called the ghugni, right? Well, it's made with chickpeas, potato, all different types of Indian spice, right? That's how it is. You look, guys, the way this brother makes this. So they serve this in this paper plate, right? Sorry, not paper, but leaf plate. That's the leaf plate. And they put some, salt, chilies, chili flakes. This is the tamarind, sour tamarind water, right? And that's some sort of a spice that he sprinkle on top, and some ginger slice, some lime, coriander. That's how you get this dish called the ghugni. All right, brother. Thank you. You have a good day. Okay, Dada. Bye bye. Thank you. Right, guys, so I showed you that, right? Now let's go straight, and see the types of street food that they sell here, right? Now here the small brother is selling, pani puri, right? In Kolkata you call this puchka, but all over India you call this pani puri. आप क्या बना रहे हो भैया? चिल्ला. Chilla. So these brothers are making a dish called the chilla. ये South Indian खाना है. Rajasthani. Oh, so guys, this brother, you see this two pans here, right? Is very hot. So they make a dish called the chilla. Chilla, right? It's a Rajasthani dish. And here, guys, this brother is making, lime soda in this mud clay, cups, right? Which is very unique, Look, guys. Hello, those. Good afternoon. How are you? Abacho? Okay, cool. So, guys, look the way he makes this a drink called the lime soda in this, mud clay, cups, right? That's very unique. Oh, guys, this is the masala thumbs up, So he has different, types of drinks. Right, guys, so now let's move forward, right? So I showed you this dish called the ghungni, right? Which is made with, chickpeas, back there, right? Well, excuse me, auntie. So this is the pani puri, right? Hello, those. All cool. And guys, right now in Kolkata is getting very hot, right? So this is the ice cream stall, right? You can get ice cream and sweet fruits, right? That's the guava, And I don't know what, which fruit is this. If you know the name of this fruit, you please kindly let me know in the comment, right? But I know the, Bengali name. It's called the, jamun, But I don't know the English name. If you know, you let me know, guys. हाँ भैया. Hello भैया, good afternoon. कैसे हो आप? अच्छे हो? You're fine. Okay, guys, what is this brothers selling here? आप क्या बना रहे हो भैया बोला?
This is Victoria Bada, big Victoria Bada.
Victoria Bada. Guys, these brothers are making a dish called the vada, right? And guys, very cool thing, you see this photo here, right? That's the president, of, like, he was one of the president back in the UK, right? Well, he came here to, eat this dish called the vada, right? वो UK का president है ना, British. Oh yeah, guys. So his name was, British Prime Minister David Cameron. So this guy came here in the year of 2013, to eat this dish called the vada in this shop here, right? Which is very crazy. And with this vada, they give you the sauce, which is the spicy sauce, and that's the green sauce, right? And here this brother is selling, some sort of ice cream. ये कौन सा ice cream है दोस्त?
सीताफल कुल्फी, मलाई,
That's the malai.
मलाई कुल्फी है.
Malai kulfi. Okay.
ऑरेंज कुल्फी भी है.
Orange and malai kulfi. Sorry, auntie. Right, now let's go front and see. You see this giant fruit stall here, right? They are selling all different kinds of, sweet fruits, right? Not really sweet food, but, fruit, it's fruit, right? Well, they sell it on the street. So it's not sweet fruit, but it's fruit, right? Look, guys. Now, If you love mango, guys, you let me know in the comment. Right now, this is the season of mango. I love mangoes. If you love mango, you let me know. And if you know the English name for this, particular fruit, you let me know in the comment as well. Yeah. So they have so many varieties of fruits. Wow. Guys, look at the crowd, and here, I don't know what this brother is making, right? So let's see. In this giant pan here, right? Hello भैया, good afternoon. How are you? आप अच्छे हो? आप क्या बना रहे हो? Pav bhaji. Guys, this brother is making a dish called the pav bhaji, right? Look, guys. So this is a potato curry, made with different vegetables, different Indian spice, right? And the smash this, and you can enjoy this with this bread, right? It's called the pav bhaji. What's this, brother? Yes, salad, eh? Guys, and that's the onion salad, right? That goes into this plate, right? So that bread will, bhaiya, more bread jayega, sir. So guys, this bread, will, go with this plate, right? It's called the pav bhaji. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, they honk like crazy, I don't know. They want to fly over the car, I guess, Anyways, if you enjoyed the vlog, you let me know in the comment, and please do not forget to smash that subscribe button, support me. That is the easiest way for you to, support by subscribing, right? It's free. All you have to do, subscribe and watch my videos for free. So I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. Guys, you see this brother selling strawberries on his head. I'll see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. See you soon. Bye. Oh well, not bye. See you soon.